Hi guys, we're traveling to Taiwan with my friends.
Taiwan Lucky Land, baka manalo to.
Dali na!
Ano malaga?
Oh my God! With the college besties. Yippee! Welcome to Taiwan, guys! Yay! I win in the Taiwan Lucky Land. Yeah! Kaya nga. Talo kami. Ang friend namin na high blood kasi hungry na.
Sorry. Hungry boy.
It's so happy guys. We won in the Lucky Land. So register na kayo. Legit siya.
How much? How much you doing?
5,000 ba? 500?
Dali na try. So baka it's just the glory of
Ano yan?
It's really yummy.
How's yours? Wow, ang aesthetic naman niya.
Did you get $1? What? Iba yung order niya? Hindi, kaya mo siya.
Wow. So, ba't hindi tayo kumakain, Joanne?
Sinanaan tayo. Hi na hi kayo eh. Busog tayo sa pagkasaya.
Hi guys! Lakas makamayaman. May boss kasi kami. Hi ma'am! Hi ma'am!
Vlog niya ano eh.
Ha? Hi ma'am!
Suplada naman ni Bot.
Okay guys, ito yung aming accommodation. Number 35. She's just in front of Ximending. I remember dyan kami nag-stay ni Mommy before sa Rainbow Hotel. Yan, dyan kami nag-stay before. Pwede naman dyan. Oh. So, nag-relay lang tayo sa pork chop with rice.
Wala siya ito mag-explain. Wala naghanap ng... Wala naman ibang menu kasi ribs. Di mo parang nakakalik lang.
Nakakaya yung pagkain.
Okay lang yan. Buti nga may gulay.
Parang mga pagkatay gutom yung kakain. Can I try the bubble? Yeah, that one. Small here. This one. Okay.
Parang jelly sa jelly.
Let's try.
Walang milk yan, right?
Parang wala. Lemon yung jelly.
Mahap, pero...
Masarap siya, pero mas
Lemony.
lemony.
Same. Hindi naman.
Hindi.
Hot, diba?
Ayan guys, nasusunog sila sa init. Highway 101! Okay guys, going to the Simple Cafe. Walang view kasi umaambon. So, we're eating. Eating na naman. Parang wala pa. Kaka-lunch lang natin ah. Ano to? Nagbayad ng 2.5 NTD para sa view.
Nawala. Asan yung view? Dude, let's go. Ano yun? Actually, dapat patawag natin sa ganun kasi baka mahal
Baka may
mahal na
service
yung kape
charge.
niya. Hindi, tsaka baka mahal yung
Yung kape niya?
Ay, wala akong pera. Thank you. Oh,
So this is the matcha roll?
Yes.
What is this?
That's the Juju. Juju.
Ano yung juju?
Juju.
Ano to juju?
Honey.
This one, bread.
Yeah.
Tiramisu.
This is the sweet potato. Yes.
Ito yung sweet potato?
Yes.
Ah, ito. Yung sweet potato.
This is the...
Okay. Kain na naman. Parang lagi na lang tayo kumakain. Pangilan mo ng kape yan? What you buying, yo? What that?
Fried mushroom.
Oh, what, ano yan? Enoki. Diyan lang yan.
Wagyu.
Hey guys, oh you try. Whoa, whoa!
Sorry, nahuli ko din ang tanong ng
You wanna try? What that?
Mushroom. May I? Thank you.
How is it?
Hot.
Sarap.
Ah, it's fatty.
Yummy.
It's yummy, but it's fatty, so that's why it's yummy.
Wow, that's so yummy. Is this
Honeydew.
melon?
Yeah.
Ah,
Harap. What did you want, guava?
yeah, the guava sana.
Okay. Hey, Chef.
Let's try. Okay. Taste test, taste test. Tikman mo.
Di ba ito naman loob? Parang lugaw.
Yeah, ang lasa.
Mainit. Matamang lagyan mo muna ng sauce. Lagyan mo muna ano kaya? Garlic.
Ah, excited. O, isa pa. Spicy. Sabi, onte.
Okay.
It is yummy. Anong flavor?
So, pork and sesame, and then beef and mushroom, and then pork and
Wow. Okay. Ito muna tayo. Agong-agaw rin. Oh. So that's just it, guys. Ang lasa.
Yummy. Pork and pork.
Lokal.
Very local.